Would you love to have a machine making money for you while you slept, eventually cranking out enough dough to make work optional? Yeah, me too. Hey, what's up? I'm Russ, and this is exactly what we're doing here on Dapper Dividends. We're building a machine that prints money for us even while we sleep. Now, I had to figure this out mostly on my own. Chicago area, lower middle class with only a high school diploma and a few years in the U.S. Navy aboard the USS John C. Stennis. I've been a welder and senior service technician installing loading dock equipment for over 20 years. Together with my wife and 2 daughters, and after much trial and error, we discovered the world of dividend growth investing in 2017 and have been learning and growing ever since. We're sharing our journey to make work optional through stock, dividends, and crypto passive income, revealing what we buy, receiving dividends, our thoughts, ideas, and analysis every single week. We would love to have you aboard and share our journey to financial freedom together, so ring that bell and we will see you in the next video.